Here is our list of the top 5 best camera phones you can get right now. The iPhone 16 Pro Max elevates Apple's reputation in mobile video with a triple camera setup, 48-megapixel main and ultra-wide lenses, plus a 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. A new dedicated camera button simplifies snapping photos, zooming, and adjusting settings without screen taps. Enhanced low-light performance via the photonic engine ensures accurate detail in color, while the upgraded ultra-wide lens improves group and landscape shots. For video, it offers 4K at 60 frames per second, ProRes recording, 120 frames per second slow motion, directional audio via 4 mics, and AI-powered noise reduction. It's ideal for content creators, especially those deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a top-tier smartphone built for mobile photography, featuring a quad-camera system with a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel 5x periscope lens, and a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus for detailed macros. Samsung's consistent image processing delivers vibrant, accurate shots across all conditions. While its zoom isn't industry-leading, its versatility, from low light to action, is unmatched. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 12GB RAM, and a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, it excels in both photo and video creation. Rugged with Gorilla Armor 2 and a titanium frame, it's a powerhouse for creators seeking performance and durability. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI is a smartphone tailored for photography enthusiasts who enjoy full manual control, offering shutter speed, ISO, and white balance adjustments. It features a versatile triple lens system, a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with continuous optical zoom from 3.5x to 7.1x, delivering DSLR-like image quality. Its standout Pro camera mode replicates a full-frame alpha interface. A 120Hz OLED display enhances photo review, while fast autofocus, high burst rates, and 2-day battery life with 30-watt fast charging make it a powerful tool for serious mobile photographers. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a powerhouse for photography purists, featuring a large 1-inch main sensor that delivers exceptional detail and dynamic range. It's complemented by 3 50-megapixel lenses, a 3.2x portrait telephoto, 5x periscope zoom, and ultra-wide with macro capabilities. Its standout feature is an optional photography kit that adds a physical shutter button, zoom lever, exposure dial, and external battery, transforming the phone into a compact camera hybrid. Leica's image processing enhances color and depth, making it ideal for artistic shots. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it also boasts a 6.73-inch AMOLED display and ultra-fast charging. The Google Pixel 9 Pro delivers effortless high-quality photography with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel periscope lens offering 5x optical zoom. Its standout features include exceptional color accuracy, dynamic range, and low-light performance, all accessible through simple point-and-shoot operation. Google's AI-powered tools, Magic Editor, Best Take, and AdMe let users easily enhance, reframe, or insert themselves into photos without complex editing. A 42-megapixel front camera ensures stunning selfies with natural tones and background blur. Combined with a vibrant OLED display, fast performance, and sleek design, the Pixel 9 Pro is perfect for travel, events, and creative content capture.